Three, please come forward. Number three, hello. For the interview portion, they will be given 5 seconds to read the question, and I will read then the question for you.
You can do that.
So the question is, what special Christmas gift do you want to give to the hopeless and homeless children this Christmas?
Teddy bear.
Before you answer the question, how are you doing?
Nervous.
Shuttle? Teacher, so we will proceed to their answers. I will first ask Joven. So what is your answer?
Ay, botohin nyo.
The answer is I will give a Christmas gift to the children that is homeless. So I will
All the rehab there. Chocolate. House and lot.
foods and supplies for their
House and lot.
And Shazam, what's your answer?
About?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah.
The special Christmas gift that I will give to homeless children is free education. Because the education is very important for us to help us find the right way to a better future. That's all. Thank you.
Vote for me. Shucks.
And now let's proceed to contestant.
Joke mo lobot, please. Bye-bye.
Music. What do you feel about the dress, Mary Jen?
Of course, welcome and free hapon.
And how about you, Jason?
Bapo mo
Ako man yun.
So,
Tama ra?
what is your motto, Mary Jen?
Time is gold. Ano? Time is gold. Blind.
Love is not blind.
Oh?
Love is not blind.
Love.
But it's never mind.
Oh my God. What a beautiful thought by Mary Jen. How about you, Jason? What's your motto in life?
My motto is bayan lang sa umaga.
So, can you pick up a question?
Shucks.
So, 5 seconds to read the question.
Wala. Ang mo gitran.
Oh,
An annual.
so easy. So the question is, for you, is Santa Claus an imitation only? Explain your answer. Mary Jen.
Dito odd.
Because
Imo lang. Si Rodolfo ay kaling-kaling. Rudolph. Hindi mo pinala.
Santa is a story from North Pole.
Shucks.
Story from North Pole.
Anak. Saan?
Santa Claus came from North Pole
Oh?
to South Pole.
Giving gift.
Giving gifts for you. That's all. Thank you.
Jason.
Why? Because everybody can be a Santa Claus.
Daw, like answer na.
That's all.
Correct!
Contestants number 4. Please come back to your position.
Si Rodolfo.
Then contestants number 1.
Sino ka nera na?
Bono.
Hi, Emelda.
Okay. Then,
Yeah.
how are you?
Imelda Marcos.
Dalagang Pilipina!
Imelda.
Pick up a question. 5 seconds to read it. Ooh, your question is quite hard. What Filipino trait or habit
Dalagang Pilipina.
makes a Filipino Christmas different from any other Christmas in the world?
Ergoy.
Ouch!
Ouch.
This is my answer.
Diba? Confident.
The Filipino traits or habits that makes the Filipino Christmas different from other Christmas around the world is that the family or the members of the family of that land or the members of the family
Perform Christmas
that
party.
during the time they are at one place celebrating that occasion.
Imo.
Simbang Gabi makes the Filipino different from other countries because Simbang Gabi is one of the tradition of the Filipino here in Philippines. Thank you. Thank you.
Do we have any Simbang Gabi in any other countries? So, thank you, contestants number 1.
Ginawa ka pa.
Then, let's follow on contestants number 2.
Bravo.
How are you, Philip? Okay. How much is your dress?
I don't know.
My God. Maybe it's priceless. But first and foremost, you must pick up a question. Oh my God. 5 seconds to read it.
5.
Oh, okay. Oh, what a very easy question. This really reflects Rose. What is your favorite Christmas food? For you. So, Philip, what's your answer?
My favorite Christmas food is spaghetti because
Long life. Long life.
Thank you, Philip. And what's your
Yes, to the bottom.
Board of Judges, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Before I answer the question, let me greet first all my groupmates from Group 2. Thank you for supporting me. My answer didn't draw near walk that way. It is just stated this way. If I would be given a chance to bake food for Christmas, I want it to be cake because cake is delicious and yummy that makes me hungry. I want to be a cake because, as we all know, that is Christmas is the time for the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. So, cake is the one that we are being brought to the
Sakit irong naman.
especially when there's birthday.
Epitaxis.
That's all. Thank you. Any follow-up question?
Oh!
This is just a kidding question. Please pick up a kidding question. It doesn't affect your grade at all. It's just a thing.
Kidding question. Ano pa naman?
So, the question for Rose, what is the best Christmas gift you have ever received on Christmas? And why do you consider it as special for you?
Thank you for that question.
Kidding
I
question.
think the most special gift I've ever received in my life is a dollhouse that was given by my mother because even though it's not that expensive, she gave it kindly to me. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah. Sentimental ba kayo?
Rose and Philip,
Bye-bye.
contestants number 2.